In looking for trends in data, our goal is to determine some of the characteristics of linear relations. You've already used a table to create a scatter plot or graph. We've looked for relationships in the data. Is the data make a linear or nonlinear pattern? And now we want to draw a trend line that's a good fit to the data. What do we mean by drawing a line of best fit? We want to take our ruler and draw one single line called a trend line that is the best fit for the data. That doesn't mean that the line has to go through all of the points. What we want to try and do is just balance points above and some points below so that you have kind of an equal amount on either side of the line. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler. A clear ruler works nicely so that you can see if there's points above and below. And you're going to position it so that some of your points are going to be above, some are going to be below, and some may be on the line, but they don't necessarily have to be. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to extend that line on your graph as far as you can when you draw it in. So now you can see when I take away my ruler, I have got a couple of points that are on the line. I guess one point that's directly on the line, and this one's almost on the line, a little bit below. I've got this point, and that point might be considered just below the line, and I've got a couple of points above. So that's a pretty good balance.